The most important words from the text. 1. Sunny. 2. Afternoon. 3. Walk. 4. Home. 5. School. 6. Herd. 7. Whimper. 8. Bushes. 9. Curious. 10. Surprise. 11. Frightened. 12. Puppy. 13. Dirty. 14. Hungry. 15. Gently. 16. Hand. 17. Slowly. 18. Closer. 19. Collar. 20. Tag. 21. Food. 22. Water. 23. Wagged. 24. Tail. 25. Scared. 26. Posters. 27. Neighborhood. 28. Owner. 29. Grow attached. 30. Companion. The most important sentences from the story. 1. One sunny afternoon, Sarah was walking home from school. 2. She heard a soft whimper coming from the bushes. 3. Sarah stopped and looked closely. 4. A small, frightened puppy was hiding there. 5. Its fur was dirty. 6. The puppy looked very hungry. 7. Sarah gently reached out her hand. 8. The puppy hesitated before slowly coming closer. 9. Sarah said softly, "Don't worry, little one." 10. She carefully picked it up. 11. She noticed the puppy had no collar or tag. 12. Sarah gave the puppy some food and water. 13. The puppy wagged its tail happily. 14. The puppy looked less scared. 15. Sarah decided to name him Buddy. 16. Sarah and her parents put up posters around the neighborhood. 17. They hoped to find the puppy's owner. 18. No one came to claim Buddy. 19. Sarah had grown attached to him. 20. Buddy became part of the family.